So our machines, they are well-made machines. They do have a good longevity to them. We always offer a good service package, and what we try to do is be proactive with the customers as well, to get them to look after the machine. They have a checklist that's supplied with every machine. If we can encourage them to do that, we're looking at proactive service as opposed to reactive repairs and breakdowns. The other thing that we do here as well, that not everybody realises maybe, but we do offer a rebuild service. Not just coming out to site, changing the odd part, but we can bring the machines back here, can replace every part of that machine if necessary. So for those machines that are in a tough working environment that might seem that they've reached the end of their working life, far from it, we can absolutely rebuild the machine right down to the last nut and bolt.
Once the machine's here, our UNTHA engineers would strip the machine, inspect all the parts, get it all cleaned, see what's required. We would then utilise the parts we've got in our stores to put the machine back into fully operational service in the time frame the customer requires.
One of the things we always ask the engineers to do is what we call an MOT, or a 7-point health check. This is carried out as standard with every machine visit they do, every service. They will go through the machine, and it's simple little checks that if the customer's missed, that we might pick up on something. There might be an oil leak or something like that. And the reason we do these checks is a proactive reason, not a reactive reason. We often offer a little bit of retraining on site, you know, just to show them where the checks are in the manual, for example, what they should be looking at.
With the machines now, we are again looking at what we have to produce to keep them top notch, should we say. So for example, the RS100 cutters, we now got a fancy robot over the factory that can regrind, re-weld and pretty much put the cutters to as new, so you get the same life and the same hours out of the machines. The good thing about that is you reduce the requirement of raw materials.
And this is the same, running through all the range. We can supply these parts, we can rebuild them, and that gives the machines a good sustainability going forward.